Good bank holiday Monday.
This better be a quick video.
Because it's brings back.
Straight me out in the rain, chat.
So we've picked bank holiday Monday, so James is here. This is where we are. So there you go. First thing I noticed when I turned up was the cast iron effect gutters, which look fantastic. That's back door, isn't it, that?
Yeah.
And there you go. Last time we came, just after Christmas, there was no glass in the arch window. Jumped through a lot of hoops to get that.
Never even noticed that.
No. The pointing looks fantastic. It's all dried a lovely colour. That's proper gauging for you.
My harasser is here.
Alex's best friend. There's the Marmite stone. Some people love it, some people hate it. The fact that the customers love it is all that matters because it's their house. I'm going to have to sort this screen out. So that's yet to be pointed with buff, I'm thinking. And then see all the pinholes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they need sorting, but that's not a problem. So they're still in the caravan yet. There's James. Actually not working. Well, sort of not working.
Yeah, the husband.
Working harder at home. Yeah, the husband. So where the you can see where the scaffold was, the top lift, the mark on the brickworks. That's pretty much where Alex took it from by himself. Maybe a bit lower. So there you go. There's the offset pike, gable, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful patio doors, French doors. Tiny bit of pointing left to do. I'm not sure if we're doing that. We're coming back to do the stone, but I'm not sure they want us to do that. There you go. Just nestled in against the chimney breast. It's not even been going near this. I think they got the keys in April last year, but they didn't start on it straight away. And then porch. That's pretty much all that's left to be done structurally on it. They're still not sure what to do with that because they have some stone. They don't know what to do with the stone. I should use the stone on the steps. So let's go in.
I suggest to put it on a porch.
Yeah.
Which isn't it's a popular idea and it's not at the same time.
Whatever they do with it, I hope they get someone else to do it.
Because obviously my logic behind it is all the sticky out parts, like the windows, the porch, on the extension, they're all stone, so it would fit that the porch
feature
be stone.
So
it's just still a lot of expense just to.
So this is the official front door, which won't be used as the front door because there's the garden gate there, all overgrown. So that's the plant room, we called it, with a bit of stone. And let me just try not to get the name in again. So get a bit closer. So even that door's not going to be used as much as the one opposite.
This was the first job.
Yeah.
Taking out some crab brick and patching them up. We were never told about doing a two-story extension with
no,
I believe about 10 sills and tops.
You're here for 10 months. You're here for what, 6 months? So yeah, this is where all the boiler and the heat pump's going to go. And then, so this is basically this is going to be a porch, really, isn't it? So that's going to be the main door because that's where all the vehicles park. So that's going to be used the most. The only bit of plinth brick and arch, that's the only one in the whole building. That little feature, that's unique on the house. That. Let's have a look downstairs. So you used to be able to go round, so there's a stud there. So pretty much all of this has been done by Megan and James. They've done all the battening, they've done a lot of plaster work, they've done all the first fix electrics, first fix plumbing, so they're going to get that signed off. So now This is kitchen diner. This is where we cut all the stone before Alex was left on his Todd. And what they've done here is, you'll see this upstairs where it's plastered. They've cut the corners off so they can get a rounded jamb, which looks really nice. I like the colour of the windows.
Yeah.
Green on the outside, like a walnut on the inside. So now we're in the extension. Wowzers. So there's all the new floorboards, new joists, well, everything above our heads is new. There's the steels.
This was a separate room.
Yeah, you had the back of the house, window. Actually, I'll put this on the video and superimpose it.
Room as well was divided by a wall.
Yeah, with the steel of this, there's a door in the middle.
With a wall here.
Yeah, and that stud was a wall as well that they took out.
Right.
So I don't know what this bit is. I should imagine this is a cupboard.
I think
Under stairs.
I think this is a bathroom.
Right.
So that's the entrance to the kitchen. So that might be where the fridge is going.
Right. Yeah. So that's all. I'm not sure the kitchen goes into the. We'll have to find out. We'll come back and see that. So this was all open.
What you can do is, obviously because there's some music going upstairs, you can B-roll some of it and then we'll voice over it.
Yeah. So, little chimney breast vestibule. Got another room here. I think this is an office with the lovely bay window. You remember us building that? And then you step down into the plant room.
Here's my handiwork.
There's a bit of patching that made up with that. Then you pulled the face and said you were going to do that.
Yep.
Have I even got my mic on? Check.
Can't see.
They're not, none of them are working.
Well, like I say, you can, if none of it's working, just talk over it.
Yeah. Right, mine's working. Is yours switched on?
Yeah. That's how Rob Sonder does it.
What? Yeah.
He films and voices over.
Right, where were we? Mike's are bloody working now. So, plant room, we've done here, yeah. This is proper run down in here. It even feels dry in here now. It's had all new roof on it, which May and James ended up doing themselves. Thank you. Can you just carry on? I'll try and get a bit on this. Head upstairs.
What, do you want me to hand film?
I'm just going to get some pictures. They're nice radiators, aren't they?
Oh, they're radiators?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
So this is the new storage room then, for now?
Yeah. I think this is the lounge. Not that it'll probably be the snug.
Snug. It's bigger than it's bigger than ours. Obviously, all that was my handiwork that I did, setting out the templates.
Are you sure the extension
the
is big enough?
fireplace area there, and then I did all that, setting the blocks.
This little outfit part the same size downstairs to our last house.
Wowzers.
Perfectly shit now.
Hey?
Perfectly shit now.
Start in the front room.
Mm-hmm.
There are no small rooms in this house.
No.
Even that storage goes over the stairwell.
Stairwell.
The stairwell's still massive. It's huge. That's where the storage is. And then pretty much probably identical, isn't it?
Yeah.
They kept the original doors, look. Plenty of room for wardrobes in here. I wish this room's fantastic. Now this is where it's really happening.
This is where we're actually seeing a lot of the fancy works. Look at that.
All done by themselves. The curved stud wall with curved panelling on it. They're currently tiling. Look at that.
That's grand.
I should imagine that's going to have a mirror in it with the vanity unit being underneath it.
Yeah. It's going to be like the bloody Alton Towers hotel.
Most of the time, most of the film we did in here was in the dark.
Yeah. There you go, look at that.
What's that going to be? Is that a toilet?
I think it's going to be the washing machines, isn't it?
Oh yeah, utility. There's the arch. They're not allowed to have a seat in it. They've got to put a railing across it.
Yeah.
In case somebody falls over and falls through it. And it's got to be special glass. They've had to have a method statement to say how the glass is put in, how it's secured.
As if someone's going to somehow...
So as you remember, it was all a bit of a mishmash and all out of square and everything. You can see the lintel goes out of square, but they've boxed it all in and squared it all back up. Oh, they've been buying new toys, Alex.
Oh yeah.
This is Alex's brew room.
Yes. This is where I had my lunch for every day until they took all my blocks away.
Now that is what you call a walk-in shower. And WC. That's a shower, that.
Yeah.
We have I think it's 800 by 800 shower now, so it's an elbow banger, isn't it?
Yeah. And here's the interior of the extension. Bath being moved later.
Show them the curved arms.
Oh yeah. That does
Beautiful bit of plastering.
That does look nice. It's nice because what they've done is they've kept it with the old aesthetic of the house instead of them just making it all brand new and modern. They're keeping to some of the old styles, which is really nice. And you get a sense of how big this is. A master bedroom.
So this is an add-on. This isn't even part of the original house.
No.
It's good you've got microphones on so we can hear each other. We're that far away from each other.
Yeah. Well, the echo's that loud. And obviously,
dressing room. This.
From there onwards,
So you come off the landing. This is the dressing room.
All this was
So,
my
sort of a
blockwork.
utility, but the utility in the dressing room rather than the bedroom. Beautiful.
And brickwork on the outside.
Opaque glass. On even a bit more beautiful sash windows. Such a good choice, that. I'm trying to put an Instagram reel together. Oh yeah, they can tile as well.
Yeah. Just add it onto the CV. Well, there you go. There was the little tour of the big house. We'll do like a little summary video in a bit, so I'll see you for that summary.
Well, hello. This is the summary video that Alex is talking about that we didn't film. So it's currently 27th of July. So May, June, July. So it's 2 months since we've been there. That was, I think it was the end of May. So they're coming on really well. As you can see, the ceilings are in the upstairs. Most of the plastering's done the tiling. Heading downstairs. I think the heat pump was coming pretty much soon after we've been. So all the heat pump will be fitted and installed. All the radiators will be on. So we'll speak to James and Megan and see if we can go again. Do another little bit more filming. Like, this is just like a little interim catch up. So this is 5 months, just over 5 months since Alex finished the superstructure. But yeah, that's pretty much it. A bit of a different one, no premiere, just put this one up for people to see. I know a lot of people have been asking to have a look at it. So like I said, this is 2 months ago, so I'm guessing it's made a lot of progress since then. So yeah, no outro, just hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you tomorrow for the premiere.